Here are three equations which we're going to try and solve. They're both two-step equations. Now I'm just going to explain the two-step idea first. That means there's two operations and there'll be two steps that you need to do to solve the equation. This equation here, the first one, number 1, says that the x is being multiplied by 2. I'm just going to write that down the side here. So it's being multiplied by 2 and then it's being divided by 3, and that gives you an answer of 10. Now, when you undo equations, you do it on the opposite direction. So working backwards, you would do the opposite of divide is times by 3, and then you're going to divide by 2. So on the way back, you're going to do this part. Okay, let's see what we've got. So if you've got 2x divide by 3, what we're going to do is we're going to times both sides by 3. So we're going to times that side by 3 and times that by 3. Now, in this case, if you have 2x and you divide by 3 and times by 3, these two will cut themselves off, and that will leave you on the left with 2x equals, and 10 times 3 on the right gives you 30. Your last step is to do what you normally do the opposite of this, or you can guess perhaps. I'm going to do it by the long method, and I'm going to divide by, whoopsies, that's supposed to be green. I'm going to divide by 2 and divide by 2. The reason I'm dividing by 2 is I've reached this step, and the opposite of timesing by 2 is dividing by 2. On the left, these will cancel that one out. On the left, you have x, and that gives me an answer on the right of 15. So that is my answer to the problem. I'm going to do the other two in another video.